Breaking news tonight, closing in, reports are surfacing that the musician D4VD, known as David Anthony Burke, is finally being viewed as a suspect in teen girl Celeste's murder. Her body found in his Tesla trunk amidst more reports the killer had help dismembering the little girl. And I want to address something Jo-Anna Nieves, veteran trial lawyer, said. She said, well, if the body is so decomposed, we may never know COD, cause of death, and therefore we won't know whether this was a murder. I want you to imagine something, Joanne. Go to the back recesses of your mind and imagine a sinking ship about to go under in a turbulent storm. Imagine rats, rodents running across the deck of the ship, not knowing what to do. A sinking ship with rats running across the deck. You don't think one of those rodents will grab onto anything to save its own skin? Yes, somebody within D4VD's camp knows exactly what happened. And we have learned from private investigator Steve Fisher, who can no longer comment, I imagine, because he's going to be a witness, that he saw who was driving the Tesla, parking it here, parking it there. Was it D4VD? I guarantee you he had a minion do that, a friend, and that friend knows everything. There were multiple people living in that mansion. Someone is going to try their best to save their own skin, like those rats on the ship deck, and they are going to rat out on David Anthony Burke.
Pressure bust pipes, and I agree with that. When your life and your livelihood is on the line, it is not difficult to apply the pressure and get somebody to break. Now, will that confession or that big reveal actually point to D4VD? That still remains unknown. Maybe he is aware. Obviously there is something going on, that there is a level of awareness and knowledge, but what we don't know is who the actual culprit was of what happened to Celeste.